Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Jane, and you?
My name is Robert. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Washington.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live with my friend.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like dancing.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do like to read.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym once a week.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 7th.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is peach.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Kate.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do, but not very well.
What's your hobby?
I love hiking.
I love hiking too.
That's great.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had pizza.
Whose bag is that?
This is my friend's bag.
What is your friend's name?
My friend's name is Sarah.
What time is it?
The time is 3 o'clock.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the supermarket.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
When will you go?
I will go by Friday.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
How are you doing today?
Not so good.
What's wrong?
I feel exhausted.
Why do you feel exhausted?
I had a pretty busy week.
What do you do for work?
I am a nurse.
How do you go to work?
I drive to work.
Do you need some rest?
Yes, I do.
Where will you go on holiday?
I will go to Italy.
What plans do you have for the weekend?
I have no plans yet.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm not busy.
What will you have for lunch?
I'm planning on having pasta.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I travel a lot.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, I would like some coffee.